Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi my fellow June bugs, thank you so much for joining me again in this video. Today is day 11 of this February frenzy of handbag unboxing. If you have been really excited by this series that I've been doing so far, I would really love it if you could give this video a thumbs up. It would really mean a lot to have your support and it would really motivate me to keep making these videos. If you have just stumbled upon my channel, hi, welcome, my name is June. I'm a doctor by day, but I do make YouTube videos in my spare time. This month I'm doing a series where I will be unboxing or revealing a new bag to my collection every single day. So if you don't want to miss out, please hit the subscribe button and join my little YouTube family, and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. So today, you guys, I am dressed a little bit springish, a little bit summery, because I have got a stunner of an unboxing for you. This is honestly one of my favorite pieces that I've added in my collection lately. It is just so unique and it's so different and I absolutely love it. But we are doing another Chanel handbag reveal, handbag unboxing, and this one did actually come with everything in its box, dust bag, and the authenticity card and the stereo sticker. So I thought it was a great deal. I bought this one end of 2020, so it actually has been a little while since I've got this, but when I see it, it makes me so happy. And in that time I was adding a lot of color, so you probably won't guess the color that I got, but I would love to know your thoughts. If you can pause very quickly and put it in the comments section below. Okay, are you guys ready? So it comes in the box and it's in this dust bag. I don't think this is the original dust bag it came in. I couldn't find the dust bag that it came in, but anyways, I just found this dust bag. Please welcome my latest handbag addition to my collection. Da, 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 da. It is the Chanel Classic Flap in this gorgeous chartreuse green, limey green color in the 25 lambskin leather with silver hardware. She is an absolute stunner and she is in the most perfect condition that you could get for a vintage bag. It is actually amazing. Like, I absolutely love this bag. I really have been trying to add less 25s in my collection, so the medium large, because for me it's actually too big, but it's so hard to find this color in a 23, and so I kind of just found this and just had to add it, especially for the price and the condition it's in. Now for the price, I pretty much got it like for half of what it retails in store, and it is in like the most amazing lambskin. You guys know I love lambskin when it's flat. I love like vintage lambskin that is like a flat quilting. I don't particularly love the puffy quilting because they do deflate over time, whereas this one is flat, and some Chanel bags have been purposely made like that, so they are sort of the flatter style. It's not like they deflated, that's sort of just how they are. But yeah, this is in absolutely gorgeous mint condition. I don't want to bring it too close because I think it's sort of shining too much, but yeah, it's in silver hardware. Opening it up, you can see there's absolutely no color wear, there's no fading of the color. It's just gorgeous, even. It's honestly perfect. And then yeah, opening it up, you can see the interior is in mint condition, and then it came with its card and authenticity, so it is a 5 series bag. I am so honestly blown away by this bag when I received it. I just couldn't believe how gorgeous it is. I also don't typically gravitate towards the like silver hardware, but with this bag I felt like the silver was just really gorgeous. You guys know I already have like a Chanel Half Moon Walk, and I love that one, and that one has gold hardware, so I thought that the silver would be a bit better for this bag. But yeah, that is her. That is my latest Chanel flap edition. You guys know me, I think classic flaps are classic, and I would personally own one in every color if I could. I do love the smaller sizes, but that's just the collector in me. I do prefer other bags to wear though, because they can just be, I don't know, like a little bit boring to style, but I still love it. And so I think a classic flap in like a fun color is just a great way to add it into your collection. But anyways, I've just got this white top, and this is how it looks like on me. I'm quite short, so it actually falls quite a good length in terms of as a shoulder bag. So that's what it looks like. It is quite big, as you can see. This is a medium large, and on me it is quite big. Like, it is actually just a decent size bag, but for a medium large it looks like a jumbo on me, but that's because I'm petite and that's why I gravitate towards a small. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. I try not to put my chains at the front. Strap is at the front, because when you're opening it, I feel like you get a bit more wrinkling when the strap is there. So anyways, I'm not sure. Sorry guys, it's a bit noisy because I've left the window open so that I can get some fresh air. But I typically would wear my Chanel Classic flaps as a double strap shoulder bag like this anyway, so it looks really cute with really simple neutral outfits. And the green can be really hard to style sometimes, so that is, I guess, one of the things that I worry about, but I just love the color. That when I look at it, it makes me like so happy. But yeah, you guys, that is it. That is my latest handbag edition. A fun little color. It's beautiful. I'll put the seller in the info bar below if I can remember. The seller that I got this from, I believe, was Gallery Rare. They are a Japanese consignment seller. I've purchased from them many times before, so I actually do trust them. I felt like the price I paid for it was reasonable, but I did have to pay duties, which increased it. However, it's still like less than the current retail of Chanel Classic flaps, and I think just for the color, it is a beautiful one. And honestly, the lambskin on this is absolutely divine. I find recently like the lambskin in Chanel feels a lot like calfskin. I don't know if that's just me, but yeah, anyways, that is my latest handbag edition. Let me know what you guys think. So as you guys know, I am doing another handbag unboxing tomorrow, so I would love to see you guys back here. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I do upload that video. And as always, hope you guys are having a wonderful week or weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.